This tutorial is a continuation of tutorial 4, where I taught you how to create forms in MS Access. In that session, we learned how to build both a simple form and a parent-child form. I also demonstrated how to add command buttons, and link them to macros for actions like add, save, close. All the forms in our retail shop application are built, using these foundational concepts. Up to this point, I haven't shown you the completed forms. In this tutorial, I will walk you through them one by one, so you can clearly understand how each form is designed and how it functions. First one is Customers form. This is a basic single form, created using the Form Wizard. It includes command buttons, which you can easily add using the techniques we've already covered in tutorial 4. You'll also notice a Search Customer drop-down box on this form. I haven't taught this feature yet, as it's a slightly advanced concept. Don't worry, I will explain it later, once you're comfortable with the fundamentals. Next is Suppliers form. This form follows the same structure and design as the Customers form. Next is Products form. Again, this is similar in design and logic to the Customers and Suppliers forms, a single record form with buttons. Then, next one is Purchase form. This is a parent-child form, where the main form handles purchase information, and the subform displays related purchase details. Next is Sales form. The Sales form is also based on the parent-child structure, following the same principles we discussed earlier. Inventory form, this is a different type of form. This is the only form I haven't yet demonstrated. Unlike the others, the inventory form is not a single record form. Instead, it displays multiple records at once. This is known as a continuous form in MS Access. This form is built on a query, and since we haven't covered query-based forms yet, I'll explain this in detail in Queries Tutorial 5. Now, as you view each of these forms, you'll start to recognize the design techniques we've learned so far and how they are applied in the actual retail shop application. Watch carefully, observe how the forms are structured, and try building them yourself. Practice and explore. That's the key to mastering MS Access. I hope this tutorial helped clarify the core concepts. With this, we conclude the tutorial on forms. In the next tutorial, we'll begin working with queries. See you there. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps keep this tutorial series going strong. Don't miss out on future videos, hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's continue building something amazing together.